Yeah, 15 minutes. Alright, we're back.
Right.
Camera's gonna edit that together, I guess, because my phone ran out of video sharing memory.
But yeah, like, when it comes to, like, the shit that I'm doing, if you were expecting a Star Wars fan film like I said I was gonna do, you fucking forget that shit.
Yeah. I'm gonna plug his channel, by the way. He does some dope shit.
No, I don't.
You do some dope shit. You do better shit than
I'm
me.
the human shit post.
You do better shit than me.
I will, eventually.
Don't take much.
No, shit that I make is just put together trash.
Cancer.
Mr. Welfare 3, though, that's gonna be fun.
That's coming out?
It's coming.
Coming. Sick.
You haven't really told me, you already know where it is.
Yo, muffler. Muffler right there.
Come see me big.
Where am I going? Muffler right there.
Fuck, you know what I'm gonna do?
What?
My new project is set in more of a fantasy kind of way.
Oh, okay. There's the fucking carburetor plate.
It's gonna take more of a story from what I had for the Star Wars project.
Okay.
But better in like every single way.
I gotta take a stick. Fuck, man. Who's ready? Oh, man.
Watch the fucking like, park rangers and
Oh, yeah.
fucking police all come up here like, we just heard an animal die. What happened?
Oh, dude.
Oh, what the fuck?
A wreck cabin. You could tell this one was a bit better because it had curb and gutters on it and a table.
This is probably like the main place.
That was probably the main entrance, yeah, because like trucks come up this road, like up this little road.
More like the checkout station or something.
Yeah, because like
people come up and be like, alright, you're coming in. The checkpoint.
The checkpoint, yeah.
Damn, man. Like, this place is actually alright.
It's pretty dope.
Place too.
Make this another camp, yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, I can't believe I found that fucking truck though.
That's actually pretty
like my channel is full of automotive shit, but
yeah.
350 Ford. Damn.
That's actually nice.
It is a pretty sweet. It was a sweet truck back when Catalina owned it.
Watch, we're gonna indirectly do some disrespectful shit that we didn't realize we were doing.
Look,
And
this.
we're gonna get blasted from like Jake and Logan Paul.
Yeah.
Like any disrespectful shit I do without realizing.
That's not our problem, cause.
No, it's not our problem.
Well, it's not our fault.
No, it's not that. It's like
We didn't
I'm
know.
Sorry.
Yeah, there's no private property signs. I guess my uncle owns it, I think.
Oh, we probably should have this part in here.
No.
I don't think anyone's allowed to come through here.
Oh, we are.
Oh, are you? Like,
Yeah.
this is Loxton Park.
Yeah, well, it's the Rangers. The boys up there are the chillest dudes ever. Oh, man, you don't even know. They're chill.
I don't come out here much. I might come out when you or like Kyle's out or something.
Yeah. Dude, this is going to be a sick weekend, man.
Dope weekend.
Videos every day this week, and it's going to end up. This is probably going to be like a 30-minute video.
Man, you should come on out and like vlog and
Dude, hell yeah. Dude, that's a Saturday job. That's a Saturday.
Fucking nice.
I might be going trouting tomorrow.
Oh shit.
Vlog that shit.
Oh yeah, like your dad's just there. He's just like casting line. He looks over you. He's like, what the fuck are you doing? I'm vlogging, Dad.
I'm vlogging. Be proud of me.
For my fans.
Be proud of me. There was a roach on my arm there for a second. I seen the fold in my sweater. I was like, oh shit, it's a roach.
It's a roach.
It's a roach.
It's a roach.
Oh man.
Watch, when I come up here, there's gonna be like 80 different people fucking looking at it, heard us screaming.
Oh yeah.
And they'll be like, are you guys okay?
Just vlogging, bro. Alright, I gotta end the video here. We will pick it up tomorrow morning. We'll see you then.